Hello, my name is Mari Vega. At the beginning of this year, I have had a very pleasant experience getting on a parachute near. I work now town in Cucuta. We have gone to this place to have a little fun and have a nice time with my friends. I had really been a little scared when getting on the parachute. I thought about it a lot, but after we had a long wait for our turn, I decided to do it while waiting for the parachute. I had seen a dessert shop, so I had walked there to eat something. I had eaten in the place a delicious dessert, but I do not remember its name. I had brought with me a few more for my family. When it was finally our turn to go up, I was still afraid to go up in the parachute. It started to take off and I have been in the air for about 50 minutes. I had expected those 50 minutes to pass quickly. To hide the situation a bit, I yelled a little to make them think um, it was happiness, but in my mind, it was actually panic despite all this. I have an unforgettable experience.